Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge both iPhones and connect them to the same Wi-Fi or plug in a lightning cable for wired transfer. Once done, update iOS on each device so system features match. This prevents compatibility errors. Make a fresh encrypted backup to iCloud or your computer, because transfers preserve settings and passwords only when a backup exists. Now unlock both phones, place them close together, and follow the Quick Start prompt to initiate the secure data migration. You'll see Quick Start on the new iPhone, scan the swirling animation with the old device, and authenticate with your Apple ID. Then choose Transfer from iPhone. This copies apps, settings, and home screen layout directly. Make sure both phones remain unlocked, on power, and connected, otherwise the transfer pauses or fails. During transfer, you may be prompted to enter some passwords for Mail or Apple Health. Enter them to restore encrypted data. Once the progress bar advances, patient waiting ensures a complete. When the transfer completes, check that contacts, photos, messages, and health data are present and that your Apple ID is signed in. You may need to re-enter passwords for some apps. Do that now so background services resume. If anything is missing, restore the new iPhone from the encrypted iCloud or computer backup you made earlier and repeat Quick Start. If problems persist, make sure Wi-Fi is stable, disable VPNs, update iOS, or switch to a wired lightning transfer to reduce wireless interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.